This is the preacher hammer curl, a great exercise to target the brachialis as well as the brachioradialis, and also to add a little bit of variety into your biceps training. The hammer preacher curl is exactly the same as a supinated preacher curl, except now we got a neutral grip, palms facing towards the center. For that seat, set it to height so whenever you're sitting on that bench, your arm is making the same angle as that arm support. Rather than having the armpit tucked in onto the arm support, that's going to cause a lot of shoulder shrug on that way down and potentially limit the amount of lengthening that we get on the bicep. Make sure you leave some room between the armpit and the arm support, roughly enough space to fit your fingers through that gap, while also having that elbow about halfway down that padding. This is going to allow us enough support on the back of the arm to be able to push that elbow down both to that eccentric and concentric and minimize shoulder shrug, as well as reduce the use of the traps and the back musculature. Have those feet out in front of you on the ground to be able to push and brace effectively. Take this exercise through its full range of motion, basically going into where that arm is almost completely straight. You should feel a good stretch and tension on the bicep at the very bottom. To prevent shrugging those shoulders on that way down and on that way up, imagine like you were trying to push the back of the arm into the backrest, almost like you're trying to elbow the arm into your stomach and also push that chest into that arm support. For added stability, squeeze that core both as you initiate that way down and when you bring it back up. As you can see right here, you should not see a lot of movement of those shoulders and the scapula rolling forward as you bring those dumbbells down to the ground. If doing 2 dumbbells at a time is uncomfortable for you, then just do 1 arm at a time. On those last few reps, getting close to failure, make sure you're squeezing those dumbbells as tight as you can, squeezing that midsection, pushing those feet down and forward into the ground, as well as pushing the back of the arm into the arm support. Take that eccentric nice and slow, at least a 2 to 3 second eccentric, getting that full range of motion. Imagine like you're not only bringing those dumbbells up towards the roof, but also bring them towards your body like you're trying to hit them towards your face. To ensure a good amount of tension still on those biceps at the top of this exercise, make sure you only bring those dumbbells high enough to where your arm is making a 90-degree angle with that forearm. Try to go as slow as you can on the eccentric of that last rep and carefully release the dumbbells when you're done. Let's grow those arms, and please like and subscribe for more tutorial videos just like this one.